Hello everyone, here Mell Llanca, Gen 3. Today we're going to learn how to put together a warm-up. Yeah? We're going to do it in 3 blocks. So I'm going to repeat this on 3 times so you can learn what goes where. Ready? First thing, you can do step touches with the beginning of the song. You always have them, yeah? Hype your student. You can clap, but make sure you don't clap too high because your arms are still warming up, okay? As soon as you do that, you can make it really, really energetic. Good. And you can bring those hands up. If you're right here, which also works, make sure you bend those knees. Bring that energy up. Another step from the beginning is always the crosses, yes? Crossing your arms right in front of you. And then you can add on. You do 4. Yeah? And then you do 4 more. Staying on top. Half part of the class, you can do grapevines. I should have gone that way. No. This way because I'm teaching 2 Zumba instructors. Yeah? So, when you go here, you want to make sure that you first cue that, okay? And then you stop. In this case, this song had a little bit of a pause. Remember, warm-ups are faster. 128, 130 beats per minute. So this is for me to teach you. We're going to go back to the halfway of the song. So once you're in the halfway, you can add rotations of the spine. Again, be gentle. How can you make it fun? You can add the extensions and then elbows in, right? Or you can do this. Good time. Yeah? Just saw me doing this one in my other warm-up. Super fun. There are many things you can do. Yes? Clap it. Or claps? What is that word? Clap it. All right. So, one thing that you can do also is going forward and back. In 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. This happens really in class, so it's okay. All right? Now, one thing that you can go back to is the center of the stage, this time using your limbs, your legs mainly. Also, you can bring hands really, really high this time, okay? Or you can do knees. Okay. Third step or third part of the warm-up. So as you know, your warm-ups are 6 minutes, 7 minutes. So you have to put a lot of steps, right? There are many. There are many. Knees is 1. Yeah? Back steps. So as soon as you have the big movements down and the transportation or travel, then you can do knees. Yeah? You can use hands. And you can do abdominals as you bend. Yeah? Let me show you. Bend. 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 4 times. Then take it back. 4. 3. Bending the elbow and extending. It's safer for the body to do that than doing this. Yeah? That can be dangerous for the arm. Again. 8. 7. 6. 5. Take it back. 4. 3. Bend the elbow. Extend. Yes. 8. 7. 6. Easy stop, right? Then at the end, you can also do the more complex. Crossing at the back. Yeah? One more time. Extend. Bring it in. Same thing to bring it back. Back. Yeah. Super fun step. All right. We're going to hold it here because of the music. Yes. Last part is when you bend your knees. When you bend your knees and hold, you create pressure. You can put your hands right here. Yeah. Remember, when you do this part, make sure the music follows that, right? What I mean is we don't have the highest of the song and then you're doing this. Because that's going to feel weird for them students, right? Right now, feels okay, right? But if you do it right there, yeah, especially in some songs, it's not the best. This is when you move, right? You can go back to the grapevine, grapevine, or forward back. Yeah? And then, if you want to do something nice and unique, let's say you have a soca on that warm up, you can do the jumping. Now, promise me, not jumping at the beginning of the song, okay? Keep your students safe. You can also finish with something really nice that I'm going to show you right now, okay? Warming up the lower back. She goes single, single, 1, 2, hold. Single, single, 1, 2, hold. Those are the steps. I hope that you had a great time with me today. And I hope to see you in the next one. If you have any questions, please fill out my form right below so I can get to know you and send you your information. Love you. Take care and have a great Zumba class.